we are going to discuss about Enum. Enum, right? So, guys, yes, on the very first, no, yeah, on the very first day of our core Java classes, I asked you one question. That is, how many basic Java programming elements are there? What are those? Class, interface, and an enum. On the day I told you this. So guys, there are three basic Java programming elements are there. Like if we want to write a code in Java, pretty much damn sure we should be using either class or an interface or an enum. Class we already covered. Interface we already covered. And today we are going to discuss about enum. Now, when you are speaking about enum, when we need to choose enum, when we need to take enum, guys, we need to use enum if our project is having universal constants. One more time, I'm saying you, we need to choose enum if our project is having universal constants. Universal constants means no one should be saying no for that constant. For example, I'll try to just let me try to take this, and here I'll just try to write like this. Now, instead of this, I'll make it like this. Now, I will say it is green color. The color is green. Can anyone say, no, sir, that is not green, it is red or else blue, like that? Come on, guys. Those are universal constants like colors, name of the planets, days in a week. For example, today is Wednesday. No one can say that today is Sunday, like that. One more time, I'm saying you, universal constants means, okay. For example, I'll try to write like this 10. I'll give you this value like 10. Now, I will say this is int. Someone else may say, no, it is byte. Someone else may say, no, it is short. Guys, are you understanding me? Please respond. This is not universal constant. I hope you got an idea here. So, for example, if I write 10 like this, we can give this as int. We can mark this as byte, short, long. Come on. This is not universal constant. But if you are giving this color like this, if I'm saying this is green color, no one will say it is red. I hope you got an idea here, like that. So, if our project is having such kind of universal constants, then we need to take enum. So very simple, very simple. When we need to choose enum, if our project is having universal constants. How to take an enum, like how to create an enum. Just for example, let me remove this. Okay. And now please check this. Okay. Instead of this, I'll hang on. Okay. Let me try to take an enum. How we will be creating a class exactly in the same manner. Right click on the package, go to new and select enum. One more time. Right click on the package, go to new and select enum. Now here, I'm just trying to write enum name as PLANETS, planets, finish. And inside this enum, please check this public enum name. Inside this enum, simply I'll just try to write EARTH, Earth. Let me just try to go like MARS, Mars, Jupiter, JUPITR, Jupiter, like this. If you observe, did I use any data types like int or else byte or else string? Did I use like that? No, I did not use that. These are known as constants. Guys, are you understanding me? These are not like, we are not supposed to address them as variables. These are constants. Okay, sir, I'll do one thing. For example, I'll try to write Kishan, my name. Am I getting any error? Come on. No, we are not getting any error. Now here you should understand one point. Compiler will not be able to recognize what are constants and what are not constants. What compiler will be doing, whatever the data which you are writing inside this enum, it will consider as constant. Am I clear with this? So, sir, okay, I'll try to write PHO in your phone. Now, phone is not a constant. We are not getting any error. No, it will not recognize. Compiler will not be able to recognize whether it is a constant or not. It is the responsibility of the programmer. Am I clear with this? Respond, guys. Right. So inside an enum, please make sure you are supposed to write constants. If you are writing non-constants also, like, you will not be getting any error, but it is not a good programming practice. Am I clear with this? All right. Just let me try to, remove this. And guys, please keep us writing as enum. And note down a small point for me. Enum. Note down a small point for me. A Java enum is nothing but a list of nothing but a list of instance variables, methods, just like a class. Instance variables and methods just like a class. Next point. These are group of constants. And I want you to please write like this. Public, static, and final. Public, static, and final. Unchangeable and cannot be overridden. Why we cannot change them? Why? Because it is final. Final variables are constants. Unchangeable and cannot be overridden. Static. We cannot override static. Static methods we cannot be overridden. Okay, next point. An enum cannot be used to create. An enum cannot be used to create objects. An enum cannot be used to create objects, and we cannot extend to other classes. Dot.